Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain why your Android phone camera isn't working. Many Android users choose their phones based on their camera system. A good camera allows you to take wonderful photos and videos to share with friends and enjoy for yourself. But what if one day you open your Android phone's camera and it stops working? What should you do? No matter what your Android camera problem is, the methods in this video can help you fix it. This video is suitable for phones like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch this video patiently. What causes your Android phone camera to not work? Here are several common reasons. 1. Software glitch. Minor bugs in your Android phone can cause the camera app to freeze or crash. 2. Insufficient storage. Insufficient storage can affect camera performance. 3. App conflicts. An app that requires camera access may conflict with the phone's default camera, causing the Android phone's camera to not work. 4. Hardware damage. A cracked lens or internal phone issues can cause the Android phone camera to display a black screen. How to fix an Android phone camera that's not working. We've covered common reasons for a camera not working. Now, let's fix these issues and restore normal camera operation. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1 is to restart your phone. A simple restart can clear some of the phone's cache and eliminate temporary glitches. Often, minor software bugs can be resolved by restarting your phone. Restarting your phone also allows Android apps and the system to run again. If you want to fix the Android phone camera not working issue by restarting your phone, follow these steps. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon. Your phone will restart. Wait patiently for the restart to complete, and then open the camera again to test if it's back to normal. Method 2 is to check your storage space. Android phones require sufficient memory to run smoothly. When memory is low on an Android phone, not only the camera's performance will be affected, but other apps will also be affected. To verify whether there is sufficient storage space, follow the steps below. To check and clear storage space, first open your phone's settings and tap General Management. Once you access the General Management screen, tap Storage. Check the storage screen to see if your storage space is less than 15%. If so, free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. After clearing storage space, open the camera again to test if the issue persists. Method 3 is to use Safe Mode to troubleshoot third-party apps. Safe Mode disables all third-party apps, which is crucial for troubleshooting third-party apps. If your Android phone's camera isn't working due to a third-party app, Safe Mode will allow the camera to function normally. To enable Safe Mode, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the power off screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the power off icon until the Safe Mode option appears. Once Safe Mode appears, tap Safe Mode. Your phone will restart and return to the home screen in Safe Mode. Please wait patiently. Open and use the camera again in Safe Mode. If it works, it indicates a problem with a third-party app. You will need to delete and verify the downloaded apps one by one. Finally, to exit Safe Mode, simply restart your Android phone. Method 4 is to update the Android operating system. If the Android operating system and camera app versions are significantly different, there may be compatibility issues. If your Android operating system version is outdated, you can fix the Android phone camera error by updating the Android operating system. To check for an Android OS update, follow these steps. Open Settings, scroll down to find and select Software Update. Then check for pending updates. If so, download and install the software update immediately. After the update is complete, open the camera again to check if the camera malfunction has resolved. Method 5 is to clear the camera cache. Clearing the camera cache can improve phone speed and address camera problems on Android phones. Clearing the camera cache won't cause you to lose photos or other related information, so you can try it without worry. Here are the steps to clear the camera cache. Long press the camera app, then tap the I button to open the app info menu. In the camera info menu, scroll down to find and tap the storage menu, then tap clear cache at the bottom of the screen. Once completed, try using the camera again. If you're worried that wiping the cache won't work, you can also select the clear data option again to clear the cache data on the camera. Method 6 is to reset your Android device. If you've tried all the troubleshooting methods above and the camera app is unresponsive on Android phone issue persists, resetting your Android device is the only way to fix the front camera is not working on Android phone issue. Resetting your Android device will delete all data on your phone. If you have data you need on your phone, back it up before resetting. Next, follow the steps below. To reset your Android phone, first tap Settings, then General Management. On the General Management screen, find the Reset option. Tap Reset, then find and tap Restore Factory Settings. your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for it to restart. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. Once setup is complete, open the camera app to check if it works properly. Method 7 is to contact your phone manufacturer. If none of the above methods work, unfortunately, we can't help you resolve your cell phone camera not working issue. We recommend contacting your phone manufacturer to have them further inspect your Android phone and resolve it. We hope your Android phone issue is resolved quickly and successfully. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and we think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know which method helped you resolve your issue in the comments section. If you think we can improve, please leave your feedback and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.